Hey again, welcome to my second episode or episode 2 of what I learned when I tried making money online. So, if you remember in episode 1 where I said I tried everything to make money online, right? What I didn't tell you is how many of those things really flopped, like completely down the drain. I was trying all these methods, but nothing at all really seemed to stick with me until one day something finally did. If you remember, I spoke a little bit about affiliate marketing and the guy that I started following that time, and his name was Wesley Virgin. So this is the person who really introduced me to affiliate marketing. Wow, I didn't even know that it was affiliate marketing. I had no idea that what I was getting into was something that is going to be life changing and not really life changing because when you're just starting, it's obviously not much, but it was something that I began to love and had a hope and belief in. So in today's video, that is what I want to share with you, a little backstory, a little story time about how I got into affiliate marketing and how it's going and how I am just loving affiliate marketing. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So let's rewind a little bit. I was obviously at a point where you're Googling ways to make money online without investments, or best websites to earn from home, or how to make $10 online today. I was fascinated and I was overwhelmed until I just found one of this guy's video because I always watched him. So I found his one of his videos. So what he would used to do was to just record his laptop and he'll be showing you. So he introduced me to this affiliate marketing marketplace and how to grab a link, how to open an Instagram account. So I used to follow all his suggestions. So I went to digital, created an account, and I remember I didn't know what I was doing. I just loved this idea of making money. In the beginning, I was like, how can that work that I can promote something and then I can get paid for it? Like, I was just so confused, but I loved it. I loved because I also learned along the way. I was also learning drop shipping, drop servicing, and all that kind of stuff. But what really stuck with me, or what really fascinated, or what really drew me was affiliate marketing. So I went ahead, and back then I had no idea honestly that I was getting into affiliate marketing or digital marketing or any of that. And I didn't know that there would be a lot of work to be done. So I went on, created the accounts. So before I get ahead of myself, I remember that this guy was promoting his own affiliate program. I didn't know that. So he was pushing his own program. So he was teaching people how to do it. And it was a money manifestation kind of thing, those kind of stuff that you find online that says um you can manifest money or you can get the life of your dreams, that kind of stuff. So I just went on with that. And for me, the idea was not to do it the same way or to do it that kind of way. So I just went on, I created my Instagram account, I gave it a name. It was called spiritual feeling kind of thing. I went on and I created the page. So you would say you need to follow big accounts, and then you follow that account's followers, you follow a lot of people, but he would also advise not to follow a bunch of people at the same time because obviously your account will be flagged or whatever. So I did that. I went on, created the account. I started. So obviously, these affiliate programs, they come with marketing resources. They have images and videos that you can download and you can post as well. So that is where I also get inspiration. And by that time, I also was into Canva. I was, learning Canva, how to create pictures, and I I was still learning about Canva. So I would go onto Google. That's where I would search for free images. I'll get my free images, post there onto my Instagram account. And I believe I had 80 something followers, and the only followers were those people who followed me back. It was not like my page was being pushed, but I did really see some, some likes here and there and comments and all that. But the thing, what really hate was, this was not my thing. Like, it was not something I believed in. I did not believe in manifesting money. I did not believe in the universe giving you money and all that. I just started this thing because I was trying it out and I started pushing it. So yeah, I did that for some time, and I went. So at the same time, I opened a blog post website or page, or yeah, it's a blog post thingy. I opened that. I started writing. I would get free articles that I would get, POR articles that I would get online, and I would rewrite and or do all that. I would post there. So by that time, I had to apply to another affiliate program, and this was the relationship in the relationship, because I realized that this one, the manifestation, is not really something that I want to do. So I went on and applied to a relationship thing. It's called His Secret Obsession. I applied to that one. I tried everything, created an Instagram. Did I create an Instagram for that one? I think my plan now was to also post images of on that manifestation page of the relationship. So my idea was to now shift this page into the relationship whatever. And I would also write on Quora. I opened Reddit. I did all that and all that, all the stuff that you can do. I also opened a Facebook page. Yes, I called it Motivation. I think I recently changed it. I changed the name, and it had like 800 something followers. So I recently changed the name because it was like over. Like I said in my first video, I told you that I burnt out. Yes, I burnt out because this is not something that I liked. It is not something that I loved doing or talking about or posting about. It was out of my belief and my religion and all that. So I had to stop all activities on that manifestation something. And then something that just clicked to me, and I said, you know what, instead of me just dropping this, let me try and make it a self-improvement. Self-improvement, because back then, by that time, it was like a big thing. So I thought, okay, let me just stop this money manifestation thing. I stopped everything, and I went on with self-improvement. And now, I was well off. I knew a bit of what I was doing. I went into Google, typed uh, meditation. So it was like still in the meditation, but the self-improvement, like trauma kind of thing. I went on and I typed meditation affiliate programs. They came a whole list of stuff, of website and stuff. And by then I could spot scams. I now know how to use Trustpilot, how to read reviews, how to just spot this platform if it's fake, how to spot a website if it's fake. So I went on, I found the best program. So this was a meditation self-improvement program. So basically this program had like different tiers. So it was just a self-improvement, a meditation, types of meditation, like how to live your life, that kind of thing. And I went on, applied to the affiliate marketing through Katra, to the affiliate program through Katra, and I was accepted. I started promoting it, created TikTok, but like I wasn't feeling it because I was just doing it to prove to myself that this thing should work. That is what was my number one goal. I wanted to make this thing work. And so I was creating posts on Instagram. I opened an Instagram page, creating posts. Back then, I didn't really know much about creating reels. I was just creating the photos, images, and just writing and all that. I would comment on Quora, Reddit, all those places, Facebook, all that. I've joined Facebook groups. But the thing is, I was not feeling it. Honestly, I was not loving this thing. And then yeah, I just went on with that. And then one day, as I was like, you know what, maybe this thing doesn't work, I received an email. I wish I had kept that email, and then I'll show you. It says I have earned an affiliate um money. I earned affiliate. you know, that was like the best. And before this, I was also making a few dollars with these survey stuff, playing games and all this, and paid studies and all this. So already I knew that yes, you can make money, but I wanted this very thing to work for me. I wanted it to work. Yes, I knew that I can make money online, but I wanted this very thing to work, and it did. That was, I remember, I think it was like 2 years ago. I was so happy. And the best thing about this program is that it was a recurring commission. So it was a subscription based program where somebody will keep a subscription for as long as they want. And I would also be getting commissions for that period. As long as they do have their subscription, I am also getting paid. And oh boy, I tell you, I think I got two affiliate payouts, not payouts. I think I got two people who signed up. So I would get like, I think it was like $12 a month. Yeah, $12 a month from that. So from one person. So 12 by two. And for a whole 2 years. I think one of them dropped and the other one is still going. So I'm telling you, it was amazing. But then the problem was now that I know this thing works, now I was overexcited. I started trying stuff out. I started trying a lot of things. I ended up getting burnt out. And by that time already I was exhausted. I was thinking, this thing doesn't work. Why should I keep pushing it? And then I got this. And then suddenly I got the affiliate sale. Now I tried pushing it more. Now, and the problem, okay. The biggest problem that and the biggest mistake that I made with this, it was I didn't track, when you're doing affiliate marketing, you need to track all your traffic, where your trafficking is coming from and all that. To tell you up to now, I don't even know. I don't even know if they came from Facebook or Instagram or this Quora platforms and all that. I don't even know. I don't know where this angel come from. It was just a silent buyer who just clicked my link, loved what they saw, because I promise you, I even bought that program because they were running a dollar first trial thingy, and then I just bought it for me to see if it's something legit or something that I can sell and promote to people. And it is amazing. It's an amazing program. And it is just a self-improvement if you want to improve your life through meditation and also, just better living and all that kind of stuff. And the second biggest problem that I realized is that I promoted something that I I don't do, or I don't really like something that I'm not into, because I'm not into meditation or all that. So I shifted and I started promoting, finding stuff that I love. And yeah, like I can tell you that affiliate marketing is the way to go. Affiliate marketing is the best. And now with how digital marketing has just evolved, it is so crazy. Everybody online is into digital marketing. Some are getting in the wrong way. They're doing all the wrong things, and some like seeing success. So you also need to start this thing, because you never know. As long as you've got something that you love, or something that you know about, something that you can talk about with no end, then I tell you, affiliate marketing, digital marketing is the place to be, because you can talk about something and promote it to the other people. It can be books, it can be kids stuff, it can be kitchen utensils, it can be clothes as well. Right now I see the Shein affiliate marketing, and if you love buying on Shein, this is the best, the perfect thing to promote, because you are going to do Shein hauls where you just show people how what you got, or what I ordered and what I got, or my Shein haul, whatever. And if you want that, I have a link down in my description of Shein. But anyways, guys, as I'm talking about affiliate marketing, I want you to know that this is a the right thing to do. It works. And looking back now, I realize why this one business model worked when the others didn't. It is because it was built on a real value exchange, and not just clicks and ads and just expecting people to click with no, you know, with no gain on their part. And also the second thing is that I focused, instead of just jumping around, I focused on one thing, and I and surprisingly it worked. And the other thing is, I finally stopped treating it like a get rich quick thing, because as long as you think that making money is a get rich stuff kind of thing, then you're not ready for the reality, you're not ready to cash in the bag. So you need to learn first before you can even think of any gains or rewards. So yeah, what am I saying in this video? I'm saying that this business model, or this affiliate marketing thing, it didn't make me rich. Don't think that I'm rich or I've got a lot of money, but it made me believe. It made me have faith in these online business models. It proved that earning online is possible, even if it's small at first. And at times, you just need to know that that first dollar, that dollar that you're getting right now, it is more powerful than $100 or $1,000 that you are thinking, because it means something. It's proof. It's proof that you can do it. It's proof that your abilities are not just going down the drain. And if you are still trying, you're still testing, you're still hoping, don't give up. Don't give up yet. This is my advice to you. Do not give up. Your $100 moment, or your dollar moment, your $10 moment, whatever it could be, it is very closer than you think. And yeah, that's it from me for this episode. Do let me know in the comments if you have ever gotten paid online yet, and or maybe you're still waiting on that first dollar or that first win, whatever it is. I would love to cheer you on. I would love to be on this journey with you. And yeah, do not forget to like this video if you think this is something that a lot of people should watch. Do like it, and also subscribe to my channel, guys, so that you do not miss some of those sit down story, whatever thing that is happening here. And yeah, so stay blessed until the next episode, where I will be breaking down online myths that almost broke me. Bye.